Welcome to my kitchen. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some floppy joes. You know, using some meat and a can of floppy joe mix. It's simple, it's easy, and yeah, nothing fancy. So if you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what's in store. Let's get started. What I'm going to be using today, as I said at the beginning of the video, it's very simple. Just some hamburger buns here, some ground beef, some black pepper, some salt, some floppy joe mix. You can use any kind you like. So I'm not going to go in detail on how to fry hamburger meat. You should know how to do that, but you will need to fry your hamburger meat up before you'll add your your floppy joe mix. I'm just using some vegetable oil. You can use water, but I like to fry my stuff in oil for some reason. I think it tastes better. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my whole hamburger meat, just like so. And now I'm going to fry this up. And once I get it done, I'm going to add my floppy joe mix. I just got done draining my hamburger meat. That's all the extra oil and fatty juices. Just drain that out of it because, you know, you want it at least a little bit healthier. Take your floppy joe mix. Just go ahead and just scoop it out. You could put onions and peppers in this too if you wanted to, but I'm not. This is just plain Jane, easy to make floppy joes. I'm going to mix this up just a little, and then I'm going to add my salt and pepper to it. And you can add as much salt and pepper as you like. It's all personal preference. So now you can mix everything up again extremely good, and you want this to simmer for about 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready to put on your hamburger buns. So it's done. It's pretty simple to make. It don't take no time at all to make these. If it's your first time making them, then you sing for yourself just a couple of minutes, and you can have a floppy joe kind of meal. You know, fix you some french fries on the side, all that fancy stuff. This is what we got. Looks good. It smells like a floppy joe. If you ever had a floppy joe, you know it's got that kind of a smell to it. And it gets its name because they are messy to eat. Very messy. But they're also very good. I mean, I'm not a super big fan of floppy joes, but I like to eat them from time to time and enjoy them. Like many different ways you can fix these. This is just one of many. And depending on the floppy joe mix that you use, depends a lot on the flavor too. So if you got a favorite floppy joe mix, let me know in the comment section below. I enjoy hearing from everybody. So if you're new, be sure to get subscribed, and if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you taking the time of your day watching another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this, and this is just a simple floppy joe recipe. I grew up on this. I wanted to share it with you guys. This is the classic one that I grew up with. It's not fancy, but you know, I survived on it. So I hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.